In this video, we'll cover maintenance configuration in AEM as a cloud service and how it helps manage both site availability and content freshness. AEM Cloud provides cache maintenance capabilities. Version Purge removes outdated versions of content from the CDN cache, ensuring users always see the latest published content. Auditlog Purge clears old audit log entries, helping manage storage and maintain system performance. Both of these purges are fully configured via YAML files and deployed through the Cloud Manager pipeline, making them automated, version-controlled, and auditable. Overall, maintenance configuration ensures controlled downtime, fresh content delivery, and optimized system performance for your AEM cloud environments. In this slide, we focus on two important maintenance operations in AEM as a cloud service: Version Purge and Auditlog Purge. In previous versions of AEM, you could configure maintenance tasks by using the maintenance card, Tools Operations Maintenance. For AEM as a cloud service, the maintenance card is no longer available, so configurations should be committed to source control and deployed by using the Cloud Manager. Adobe manages those maintenance tasks which have settings that are not configurable by customers, for example, data store garbage collection. Currently, purging is not enabled by default, but this will change in the future. Environments that were created after the default purging is enabled will have the following default values. Versions older than 30 days are removed. The most recent 5 versions in the last 30 days are kept. Irrespective of the rules above, the most recent version, in addition to the current file, is preserved. Version Purge. Version Purge ensures that outdated versions are removed from the AEM. This purge can happen automatically as part of the deployment pipeline. Purging versions and the audit log reduces the size of the repository, and in some scenarios, can improve performance. Adobe is going to default enable the version purge and allowing clients to define how long they want to hold the versions in AEM. 2. Auditlog Purge. Audit logs track content changes, user activities, and deployment actions. Over time, these logs accumulate and can affect storage or performance. Auditlog Purge removes outdated audit entries, ensuring the system remains optimized. It also helps meet compliance or data retention requirements by cleaning old records. Key takeaways. Both purges are fully managed via the CDN configuration and deployed using the Cloud Manager pipeline. Version Purge keeps your content fresh at the edge. Auditlog Purge keeps the system and audit logs optimized. Together, they ensure high performance, consistency, and compliance for AEM cloud deployments. In this slide, we're looking at the CDN maintenance configuration file in AEM as a cloud service. Just like the basic authentication file, this YAML file is the central place to manage maintenance mode and cache-related purges at the CDN level. Changes here are deployed via the configuration pipeline, so they are version-controlled and auditable. Let's break down the key sections. The CDN. The top-level section groups all CDN rules, including caching, redirects, headers, traffic filters, and maintenance settings. Maintenance. This section defines rules for when the site should display a maintenance page or block traffic temporarily. The rules. Each rule can define. Purge. This subsection may include. Version Purge removes old versions of content, which gives more system performance. Auditlog Purge removes outdated audit logs to maintain storage and performance efficiency. Each rule can also specify. Name, a descriptive label, e.g., Production Maintenance Mode. When, the paths or URLs affected, typically /* to cover the full site. Action, the type of response, e.g., returning a 503 service unavailable or a static maintenance page. Allowed IPs, optional list of internal or QA IPs that can bypass maintenance mode. How it works. When maintenance mode is active, the Adobe checks the defined details like version count and audit log duration, and irrelevant items are removed, which improves the system performance. Key takeaways are. All rules are YAML-based and deployed via Cloud Manager. Ensures controlled site downtime and cache consistency. Supports audit compliance and performance optimization via log purges. Provides a simple way to manage maintenance and cache behavior at the CDN edge. Next video we will talk about log forwarding configurations. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more AEM videos.